friends, my name is Jessie Denise Santos Iris, and today we're gonna do pleasant and unpleasant sounds in the house. Pleasant sounds are good for your ear and make you happy. Sample. The sounds of the bird chirping. Raindrops falling. The sound of the piano and Ademir playing the ukulele.
Hi Jessie, I hope you like this song that I am going to play.
I love listening to the music of Tito and his hangang choir. Unpleasant sounds are like something that doesn't make you comfortable and hurt your ears. This is an example of unpleasant sound. Blower. The sound of the spoon steering the glass. It's an unpleasant sound. Sound. This is the slamming of the door. For watching. See you soon.